We at Capsys can actually take it one step farther, and we actually look at eliminating paper at its point of origin. And this solution is a very exciting solution for us. It's a partnership we entered into towards the end of last year with a company called Rico EWS, which has the Equal solution. And what this allows us to do is basically eliminate the paper and clipboard type application where you're filling out documents at a site and actually requiring signatures. What we can do is we can take those paper documents, replicate them on a mobile, easy to manage e-tablet, eliminating the need to fill out any paper documents and scan them. This is a very simple and easy to use solution. It's a feature-rich business grade, not consumer grade tablet, so it's not just rolling it out on an iPad. This has all of the security that you would need to meet your compliance needs, such as the Authentic Doc technology to guarantee whatever content you're putting in, even signatures, are authentic and legally binding. This solution allows you to create and design forms on your e-tablet, and you can deploy the Equal and Capsys solution anywhere you need to complete physical forms. Really what this means is you can capture all your business critical content without doing any scanning or manual data entry at all. With Capsys and Rico, we can completely eliminate scanning of your shipping documents. So another unique thing about Capsys is our web-based technology. With Capsys, this is one of our differentiators. We are a 100% web-based capture solution. This makes capture very easy to implement, easy to expand throughout the organization, and very easy to support. Really what this translates into is a very low total cost of ownership for your IT department. Really, with Capsys, we can capture content anywhere or anytime, simply using a Twain compliant scanner and a web browser. With Capsys, application setup is a breeze. We actually have a workflow process designer that's built into our server manager, so it's very easy to set up new applications or modifying existing applications as you see fit. Quickly design your capture process on the workflow screen. Simply lay out the business process or business steps in your capture application on a GUI process map, and now you can easily manage every step of your content capture process from the very beginning all the way through the end of capture. You basically define your business process, create exception queues, which are unique to each business, and you're off and running with absolutely no programming required. Of course, Capsys provides all of the necessary data extraction and automation tools that you come to expect with a robust enterprise capture solution. You can automate the data capture process with very powerful metadata extraction tools and indexing capabilities. And as many of our customers have leveraged, we can easily recognize barcodes, extract data off of those to speed up the indexing process. We can automatically separate documents in a batch-style process so that each document can be automatically separated and identified using patch code separators. We can automatically list content off of a structured document using OCR and OMR to eliminate data entry, and of course leverage existing data that's in a database that you may have, or even a shipping and logistics software package, and provide database lookup technology. Of course, once we've captured all the necessary images and the metadata, we of course need to export that content somewhere. And with Capsys, we have a lot of flexibility in this area as well. We can convert scanned documents to a variety of different formats, so whether you require PDF, PDFA, or even fully searchable PDFs, we have the capability of delivering the content the way you need it in your business. We also have a module called Export Pro, which is a very easily configurable module which allows our customers or our business partners like IDT to configure the content in a way that makes sense for your organization. What we've seen in our experience throughout the years is a lot of shipping and logistics industries have developed their own custom portals, either for their customers or for internal use, that they like to deliver that information back. We've done integration work with those portals, and certainly through the Export Pro module can provide that type of integration. But of course, we have several out-of-the-box export modules for many of the major ECM systems. So if you're already a subscriber to Enterprise Content Management Solution, whether it's from Highland OnBase, FileBound, Oracle IPM, formerly Stellan, or even SharePoint 2010, as well as a variety of others, we can provide that out-of-the-box export mechanism. So let's talk a little bit about some of the customer use cases. The first one, we have Seiko Worldwide. This is a logistics and shipping customer. One of their business challenges was actually capturing manual delivery receipts from all the different agents. and they needed to do that in a centralized fashion. So with Capsys, we were able to actually provide a centralized capture solution and allow them to save labor costs by eliminating all the manual data entry typically done to get the data off of those documents. We actually, in this case, leveraged barcode recognition technology so we could read a barcode, extract the necessary metadata, and also do database lookups to speed the indexing process and capturing all those business-critical data. One of the obviously benefits, which we highlighted earlier in the presentation, is improved customer service, because now customers of Seiko have instant access to all business-critical data on their portal. Another example is Beacons, a logistics and moving company. Beacons was a very good case, an example of how distributed capture can really benefit an organization. Beacons actually had over 200 distributed agents throughout the country that were shipping a variety of different document types back to the central headquarters, so waybills, bill of lading, shippers, all different types of content. And they were racking up a tremendous expense in actually Federal Express and shipping all these documents from these 200 different agents back to the central site. So what we did is, by implementing Capsys as a distributed captioning solution, we were able to capture all this content at point of origin, leveraging our web-based technology, which essentially lowered their total cost of ownership, got content into their back-end portal on a much quicker basis, and allowed them to turn around and get this content into their system. In addition, we actually are able to integrate, we're able to integrate our solution with their existing Kodak Check 21 solution, which was a back-office solution they used in their accounting and finance agents department. And we were able to integrate in their own custom portal so that we could actually effectively deliver this information in a way that didn't change the look and feel of what their customers and internal folks, the agents, were used to seeing. Finally, Logistic Corp, another logistic and shipping company, we were able to transform a very manual business process into a more automated capture solution by utilizing their existing multifunction devices, which were spread throughout the organization. So with Capsys, we could leverage that existing investment that they had and capture that content without actually replacing and requiring them to go out and buy new hardware. We basically were able to eliminate or greatly reduce the manual data entry process and provide a centralized scanning and fax import of all their waybill documents. Again, similar to some of the other business cases, we were able to leverage barcode cover sheets, which were created, reading information off of those, doing automatic document separation and automated indexing. Again, like the other companies we discussed, this enabled Logistic Corp to provide customers instant access to their content, providing much better customer service. So in terms of Capsys, how is it actually licensed? It's a very affordable solution. We have a very simple pricing model. Capsys is based on total number of concurrent users, regardless of the physical location. So unlike some of our competition, we don't require that you actually physically license physical named users. Irregardless of their location, with Capsys, you can actually utilize our software. The other nice thing about us, which makes us unique from a licensing perspective, is we don't penalize customers for page counts or click counts. With the exception of zonal OCR, you can utilize our software on an unlimited basis regardless of volume. So this is really nice for companies, shipping and logistic companies who have fluctuations in volumes, and with some other capture solutions, you're actually paying for peaks and valleys of licensing you're using during different times of the year. With Capsys, it's unlimited, which allows us to easily expand our solution into other areas of the organization. Overall, this lowers the average total cost per user of our solution compared to our competition, and allows our customers to easily leverage the solution not only to capture those delivery type documents or receipts or bill of lading, but even in the back office type application. And if you're a company that has to lower that upfront cost, if you're adverse to doing a capital expense to move forward with, say, an on-premise, there's always the option of a hosted solution, which requires no upfront cost and basically pays for on a small monthly basis in our cloud solution.